Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to create Gmail account without phone number verification. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. So first of all, we'll show you the latest update issue. If you will tap on create account and you are selecting the personal, you provide your first and second name, next you are adding your date of birth, select gender, and then here you have to select the Gmail. And then tap on next, select the password, tap on next, and then here you will see this kind of information. This may take a few moments. So this is a Google new update, and here Google will automatically ask you verify your phone number. So first of all, you have to fix this issue. How you can fix this issue, step by step we'll show you how you can do that. Minimize this one. You have to open your phone settings, and then you have to navigate Google option. Here you will see Google, and then you will land here, and here you will see Google services option. Here you will see all services option. Tap on it, scroll down, and then here you will see option phone number verification. Tap on it, and then here you will see the option which is automatically enabled, automatically verify phone number. You have to disable this option, your pin. So here you can see we have disabled this one. Minimize this one. Now you have to open your phone settings again, tap on settings, and you have to navigate apps, tap on apps option, and you have to navigate Google Play services option. Tap on it, and then tap on storage, tap on clear storage, and then tap on manage storage, and from here you have to select clear all data. Tap on confirm. Now you have to open Google Play Store, and you have to download and install Turbo VPN. After installation, open this VPN, and then here at the top left side you will see 3 lines. Tap on it and tap on service and location. From here you have to select USA, tap on OK. Here you can see connected. Now minimize this one, open Gmail, on create account, personal use, provide your first and last name, tap on next, set your date of birth, select your gender, tap on next, now select your email account, and then tap on next, select your password, next,